Hey guys, Chef Marty here from Cooks of Crocus Hill, and today we are going to be doing Chinese black chicken. This is a silky chicken. The flesh, the skin, everything is black. The flavor is beautiful. This bird right here, this is the way they come in the store. Unfortunately, it has the head and the legs on it. Today we're going to show you a recipe, and we're going to be doing it with a Coca-Cola sauce. We're going to wok fry this chicken, and we're going to make a Coca-Cola sauce, okay? Our ingredients over here to start with, we have a hen of the woods that we harvested ourselves in Minnesota. We have onions, spinach. We have a tree fungus. It's a black tree fungus, and you can get it a lot in Asian markets. We have some lemon, honey roasted peanuts. We have garlic, ginger, lemongrass, Korean hot spice, and some habanero peppers. All right, it's going to be a little spicy, but now traditionally in this kind of recipe, what we do is we start by taking off the leg, and a lot of places will cook the legs and the head as well and put this on the platter for a presentation. It looks pretty cool. I don't think we're going to do that today. We're going to show you how to cut it up today, and we're going to show you how to serve it with some jasmine rice, okay? Now this, the chicken is black. There was a pigmentation abnormality, and they decided to capitalize on this chicken, and so now it's bred this way. I know that must sound kind of gross, but we'll just deal with it. And we're going to toss a couple things out of here. You're going to have some legs, you're going to have a little breast action. It should be good. We're going to leave that skin on there, and we're going to cut it into smaller pieces because we're going to be wok frying it, and we want to get it fried as quick as possible, for the big reason that we are in the house, and anytime you wok fry something, your house is going to smell like this for a long time. So let's keep that as possible, down as stinky as possible. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this and put it in a bowl, and I've pre-mixed a little cornstarch and flour mixture. We're going to add that to the chicken. We're going to move that around a little bit. That's going to soak up a little bit of the moisture too. It's going to make it easier to fry. It's not going to be spattering so much. We're going to really work that mixture in there. You don't have to put too much, just enough to give it a little crispy edge. We've got the wok on pretty high, so why don't you oh, I did forget to tell you, over here, the sauce, the Coca-Cola sauce, we're going to start off with Coca-Cola. We have a little sesame oil, we have liquid aminos, we have soy sauce, and we have a really, really beautiful fish sauce. It adds just a great flavor to it. So first we're going to start by frying the chicken. Then we're going to saute all these ingredients, and then we're going to throw the sauce in there and reduce it down, okay? Come on over. Okay, we want to make sure right off the bat you've got your oil hot enough where you can see it's sizzling up really nicely. That's going to sear in a lot of that beautiful flavor from that chicken. Now you'll notice I'm just setting them in there right now. I'm leaving them alone for a minute. I'm going to let that bird sit in there and fry. I want it to get nice and crispy on the outside. And once we get a nice brown color on that, we're going to just take it out of the pan, and we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to take a break here for a minute and let this stuff brown up. We'll come back in a second. Welcome back, guys. Now we've had the chicken in for about 10 minutes. You can see it's got a nice little crust to it. It really is quite a dark color. And before we go any further, if many of you are probably wondering right now, what does it taste like? It tastes just like chicken. It really does. It's just a chicken like anything else. It just has different flavor or different color. That's about it. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to just take a little bit of sesame oil, put it in the bottom of that pan, and we're going to start putting all our ingredients in. And we're not going to waste any time here. And if you're wondering about measurements, we're skipping the measurements right now, okay? This is all about having fun. I'm going to show you how to do something and make it taste good. Maybe down the line somewhere if you need some help with measurements. But a lot of this stuff is subjected to your flavor. So just, you know, just start adding stuff. All right, we're going to get that turned up really nice and high. A little more oil. And now we've got a little bit of fish sauce here. This really is such a great flavor. It's a lot of people don't like the smell, but used in the proper amounts, it's really a great product. It's really just salted, dried fish where we've extracted the oil out of it. Okay. Black tree fungus. It is called arugula. Okay, not arugula, but arugula. Some hazelnut. We're going to take the spinach part in there. Now what we have here is, these are our own homemade habanero peppers. I simply just rehydrated them in a little water, and that's all you need to do. We're going to take a little of this Korean spice. We're going to put that in there. Put this down. It looks good, doesn't it?
Yes, sir, it does.
Alright, so now what we're going to do now I use flat Coke, simply because you're not looking for the carbonation in the pot. You're looking for the caramel in the Coke that really gives it that sticky flavor once it reduces down. We got a little bit of soy sauce here. I think what I mean is it's a great flavor. It tastes a lot like a cross between Worcestershire and soy sauce. We already added our fish stock. Okay, now we added our Coke. And I think we got everything in there. I'll tell you what we're going to do, guys. With this, instead of you standing there watching for the next hour and a half, we're going to simply try to reduce this down until it starts to become thick and syrupy, okay? So we're going to take another break here, and it's going to take about 5-6 minutes, and you don't want to listen to me babble on about incoherent stuff for 5 or 6 minutes. So let's take a break, and we'll be back in a minute, okay? All right, guys, welcome back. We're at the point now where our sauce, as you can clearly see, is starting to reduce down quite a bit and turning almost into a glaze. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this chicken, completely fried by the way, it's already all the way cooked, okay? We're simply, and now we're getting to a point where we're just going to mix that chicken in. And let that flavor soak in just for a minute. We still, and the one reason I don't like simmering this in here too long, some people will leave it in and let it simmer, but I love the crispy skin. I mean, the crispy skin and the nice sauce is the best part, okay? I really love that crispiness. So we're gonna leave that on there for just one more second, simmer up. And I've taken the liberty of making, oh goodness sake, here, what we're going to do, we're just taking a couple small wedges of lemon to give it a nice, fresh, citrusy flavor, okay? Oh my God, I love food. All right, like I was saying, I took the liberty of making some jasmine rice. And we're almost at the point now. We're going to grab a little plate. on there. Now, with all the bones and everything in here, it's not one of those dishes that you can clearly eat with a fork with all the bones. So it's going to take a matter of picking some of this stuff up and just oh my God, look at the bone, black bone. It's chicken, okay? Oh, that is Chinese black Coca-Cola chicken, guys. Stay tuned. Next week we're going to be doing fermented sausage balls wrapped in chicken skin. All right. Until next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.